Well, came down to the shop tonight to do some quick mating nukes. Thought I'd show you how to do this real fast. I've pre-cut the wood, but basically this is the type of two-frame mating nuke we're going to build, and a very easy to assemble. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that now. I've pre-cut the sides, all of it really. Top, we're going to start with the base, obviously here. And always use glue, and I like to use a nail gun. I'm a big fan of this new Master nail gun that's battery powered, very easy to use. We'll get started with this. I've already pre-cut all the pieces. I just take the base, which is going to be, I believe it's 21 inches by 5 inches long. This entire thing's only 5 inches wide, and the base is 21 inches long. So just take the sides, put that on the base. I'll put a spacer here, and I've already cut the front. So you're going to put some glue on the spacer. On the front. It would help if I undo the lid. Okay, so put a little glue on here. Put it flush with the front. Grab the other side. Go ahead and put a bead of glue on here as well. Now I like to use these clamps that help you kind of grab the wood. Much easier to just kind of get some extra hands on these, and then you can adjust them as you need to get them exactly dead on. Do that with a little hammer. Around until you get it right where you want, and you're just gonna get it flush. Sometimes that's easier said than done, but once you get that flush, then we're just gonna go ahead and put a nail or two in it. Okay, and let's see if that's flush down this way. Yep, that's flush. Okay, well I got one side stapled in the front. Bump the front up just a touch and make sure that it's good flush. Remove my finger. Okay. Good. Alright, that should have it. Gets the front side done. Alright, you can see that kind of steps down. That's going to be perfect for the frame that's going to go inside. We'll flip it around, do the back. Don't need a spacer anymore. The back's going to fit right in between. I'll put some glue on both sides. Always good to put a little exterior. I like this Tight Bond 3 is always a good choice. Put the word back inside. I'm just going to slide this down. Get a little glue on the top, but that's okay. Alright, we'll use some more quick hands on here. Just to kind of pull it together. Okay. Alright, we'll get one side in and then get the other one where it needs to go. Let's make sure it's good flush at the bottom. Alright. Put a couple of more nails in. Okay, I flipped around that front just to be able to get one in the bottom. It's being a little tricky. And I'm going to tap the top out just to get it a little bit flush. getting my finger. Okay. Alright, so the box is good. Might put a couple more in here just for good measure. Okay. Alright. So now I can mount this to the baseboard at the very bottom. So really all I need to do is just flip this over. Flip it over so that the bottom is here. Throw some glue on it. Alright, drop the top. Okay. Graceful. Okay. I'm actually going to use these just to steady it up. Always good to have an extra pair of clamps to help you get it kind of exactly where you want it. That's one of the hardest things in the shop, is just simply having an extra set of hands when you need them. Then you're just going to attach the bottom. Okay, well, real quick, I'm going to put the front on here. You really just don't need much for that. I might put two in there just in case. Well, maybe not need it. This just covers up the little opening. Alright, that works. Flip it around to the other side. These ends put on here real quick. What I'm going to do is take the top, put this top on here, which is going to fit like so. But the best way to do this is to flip it over, and let's do it this way. Alright, put the top over, take the ends, a little bit of glue right there on the end, all the way to the edge. Here's the other one. A little bit of glue. The glue doesn't want to stick. There we go. Alright. Flip it over. Make sure it's lined up correctly. 3 nails in it. 3 staples in it, put it that way. Watch my fingers. Okay. Alright, so that should be a top on here, and you got yourself a box just like that. So, just like these frames. Frames now go in here nice and easy. Fit in there really well. 2-frame nuke box. Box top goes on top of here just like that. Fits nicely. Plenty of room. And just like that, you got your 2-frame mating nuke. So 2 of those knocked out pretty quick, but you can do this really easily. I pre-cut them so it didn't take all that long, but I'll put the measurements in the description. Finished product. Okay, made 2 of them real quick. I showed you guys how to make 1, but that's what you get there. 2-frame mating nukes. Easy to make. Use a piece of 1x12 southern pine. Probably the easiest thing to do. Rip them down with a table saw and with a miter saw, and you can knock these out in no time. All right, good luck.